Hi, this is Kelly Brown, and today we're going to be talking about using the presenter view in PowerPoint. What the presenter view lets you do is see the notes that you've taken for your presentation, see what the current slide is that's being presented to the audience, and see what the next slide is that the audience will see. While you see presenter view, the audience is seeing the actual slide presentation. So it's really, really cool. And the way to do it is you're seeing what you see on your computer, but the slide presentation is being viewed to the audience. If I only have one monitor and I'm just practicing, what I would have to do is hit the Alt F5 key, the Alt function 5 key, and then I can see the presenter view on only one monitor, and that's what we see right here. So what it will look like is over to the left here, this big four-season slide is the current slide that's being presented to the audience. This is what they are seeing. Over here to the right, where it says next slide, is the next slide that will come up in your presentation. And under here would be notes, any notes that you've written for yourself for the current slide to remind you or to guide you through what the discussion should be for that slide, you can put here. At the bottom of this here, you see a big A and a little a. This is where you can make the font smaller or bigger if needed. When you see slide 1 through 6 over here in this bar and the arrows and the circles, this is how you would advance your slides. Now this is the current slide that the audience is seeing, and this is the next slide that the audience will see. If I click here again, it will advance. It goes through the transition just like the audience will see it. Here's the current slide, and here is the next slide. And here are notes that were written for the current slide. And that is a really great way to use presenter view.